Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to delete an email address on Ionos. The first thing I want you to do is actually log into your Ionos dashboard, come to the top, click on menu, and then you click here on email, okay? And now I want you to scroll down because you'll see your different domains listed. So select your domain right here. You'll see the email addresses that are listed for this specific domain. And then what I want you to do is find the email address you want to go ahead and delete. So let's say, for example, we want to delete this email address, okay? What you want to do is come here on the right side under tasks. You'll see these three dots. I want you to click on this for more options. Select this, you click here, and you'll see this option right here. As you can see, it says delete. Click here on delete, and you'll get this pop-up right here that all the data will be deleted permanently. So this is just a confirmation. Just click here on delete, as you can see right here. And in just a moment, our email address has actually been deleted. And that is how to delete an email address on Ionos.